Welcome to Made by Kaushika. Today I will show you how to make a beautiful star using coconut leaves, a traditional and eco-friendly craft. Let's begin. You will need a fresh coconut leaf and a pair of scissors. Choose a green flexible leaf for easier fold. First, take two coconut leaf strips and place them together evenly. Now tie a simple knot at one end. This knot will create 5 angled points for the star. Trim the extra tip from the knot using scissors so it looks clean and flat. Take the upper strip and fold it over the knot to cover it completely. Now start folding the leaf around the knot to form 5 sharp angles. This fold will create the 5-pointed base of the star. Once the star shape is formed, continue folding the remaining leaf over and around the base. Fold repeatedly in the same direction until the full length of the leaf is used. When you reach the end of the leaf, flip the star over and fold the last part tightly behind it. This will help secure the shape. Press gently to lock the folds in place. Now trim the excess end. And here it is, your handmade coconut leaf star is ready. Isn't it beautiful and simple? You can use it as decoration for festival or just enjoy the traditional craft. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Made by Kaushika for more creative nature inspired crafts. Thanks for watching.